Hello guys, this is Tech Help Guy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set Facebook Messenger auto reply. Now, first things first, you'll must have this application called Business Suite. Now, you'll have to click on that and then log in your account. That's the very first thing that you'll have to do. Now, in this case, you should have a Facebook page first. Now, all you have to do when you have already set up everything, log in your account, go to tools, and then you have to click on settings, and then click on automations. Now by doing so, you could set up automations right here, like say instant reply. Like let's say if they send a message on you, you can just hit on check on messenger. Then you could edit the message that will be sent to that person if let's say they message you on Facebook Messenger. Now guys, I just wanna let you know that this works perfectly for businesses and for let's say Facebook pages. Okay, so that is how you set Facebook Messenger auto replies. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.